At Sibelco, sustainability is at the heart of everything we do. Throughout the life cycle of our operations, before, during, and when active operations are stopped, we work together with our local stakeholders to reduce our environmental impact and build a positive legacy. Before operations begin, we develop an end-of-life vision for our quarries and mines, supporting the local needs and taking into account aspects such as biodiversity, water, emissions, and land use. During operations, we extract minerals safely and responsibly, minimizing our footprint, while staying closely engaged with our communities, authorities, NGOs, and others. And when the operations end, we return the areas to nature, recreation, or another use. This rigorous process of involving our key stakeholders in every life cycle phase and our long-term vision aims to ensure our license to operate. And at Sibelco, we apply high standards for all our sites worldwide, guided by our global sustainability strategy and supported by many local and global partnerships with organizations such as BirdLife International. It's a long journey, one that takes years to maintain and build our good collaboration with trust towards the future. Because sustainability isn't just a goal, it's our responsibility. And it's at the core of our purpose. Material solutions advancing life.